I have been using this new Nokia 3210 as my main phone already for over a week, and actually I think it's a pretty darn good phone. If you're looking for a very basic but extremely reliable and nice dumb phone, then this might be one of the best choices currently. The phone has even got Type-C charger now, and this is included in the box for free. Also, you do get a very nice large battery, almost 1500 mAh, and it's actually quite large, especially for Nokia phones. And you also got dual SIM card supports, and you can even extend the storage to up to 32 GB. Durability wise, I think it's pretty much the same as the original 3210, which is absolutely legendary. As you can see, the build quality overall, it's obviously a basic phone, but I mean, it's built like a tank. I think nothing really can happen with this phone, I think, if you bash it around. It has a fairly large screen compared to other dumb phones, and actually even the visibility of it, even in the sunlight, is pretty good. Also, it's very ergonomic. Actually, it feels very nice in hands. It's not too thick, just the right size, and it's very comfortable to actually fold. And it even has a headphone jack. That's quite good in 2024. Also on this phone you can listen to the radio without headphones as well, so that's quite good compared to other Nokia phones. By the way, this is my new YouTube channel and I'm trying to reach 1000 subscribers. If you could help me out and subscribe, that'd be so much appreciated. Thank you. So what else do I like about this phone? The keypad. That's insanely good as well compared to the other Nokia phones which I have here. So the keypad is amazingly good actually. It feels extremely good, and when you press it, it has very good like tactile feel, and it's just so pleasant to actually to the touch. And yeah, this is like literally one of the best keyboards on like Nokia phones. On this one, for example, and I have had other Nokia phones, they're probably fine, but on this one, yeah, the keyboard is absolutely great. Okay, so let's check out the features of the phone. First, maybe let's check out the camera. So it does have camera, and also you can record videos with this camera as well, and it has even like these various camera settings for adjusting contrast, brightness, and even night mode, I think. So pretty advanced stuff. However, really the camera quality isn't that good actually. So it can record video as well. However, let me show you an actual sample. I'm now recording this video on this Nokia 3210, and this is the camera quality. So this is my trampoline. Here's one chicken, a white chicken. Can you see it's white actually? So some bushes, and this is the quality pretty much. Here's a very dirty car, and these flowers should be blue. Are they blue in the picture? I'm not sure. Here's another chicken, a brown one. Coco. So overall, I think the camera quality of this phone is kinda terrible. I think it's terrible, completely terrible. It literally looks like something from the 1999 when the original Nokia 3210 was released. Let's see how well the sky is exposed. Yeah, not the best. Overall, I'm not impressed with the camera on this phone at all. It's really for emergency use only. Okay, let's check out the rest of the features. So you got basic settings. You can adjust pretty much everything here. Then your contacts, gallery where you can see your pictures, camera, internet, basic internet browser. It has got Opera Mini, however it's again kind of terrible. This is what a page would look like, some random page, and actually the text quality is very bad here as well, and I wouldn't use this phone for extended amounts of time because you think it will mess up your eyes. Also it has some Opera ads here from time to time. So it does have some ads, and there, yep. So this is what like a web page would look like, and also it loads very slow. And yeah, the text quality when you actually read it, it's not the best really. Other texts basically on the phone or the menus are decent, but not in the browser. Okay, then you also got your alarms, text messages, radio. Again, you can run radio without headphones. That's pretty cool. You can upload music to this phone basically, to external memory basically. Then check your videos you have taken, and then also you got a bunch of games here, such as Racing Attack, but you got limited amount of tries you can do. So blackjack, some extras such as timer, calculator, calendar, and stuff like that. Doodle jump game, snake game, then this Arrow Master game. This one's pretty good actually. If you are bored somewhere, yeah, this is a good game. Then also you got a Facebook icon here, but it's really, it brings you to the browser as the same terrible browser. Another game, Crossy Road, Football Cup, Airstrike, and Ninja Up. So quite a lot of games, 9 games in total. Then another cool feature on this phone is speed dialing. You can essentially press and hold any button from the 1 to 9 to call someone directly very fast, and you can set it up in settings. But this phone also does have some negatives. First, it does not have WhatsApp, it does not have email, and WhatsApp and email in 2024 are kind of crucial things. Then yeah, the camera is kind of terrible on this phone. Again, it's not a cheap phone and the camera should be better. The flashlight is absolutely terrible. For example, the flashlight on this much cheaper Nokia I have is like literally 3 times brighter. Then the internet browser really lacks quite a lot. It's slow, unresponsive, and all the web pages are basically messed up completely. Also in Asia, this phone does have this cloud app store where you can like watch YouTube shorts and do some other things. However, in Europe this is not available. Also at the moment this phone is not available in USA and Canada as well, and currently the phone is quite overpriced compared to other Nokias. Other Nokias have essentially the same features but are like 2 times less and the same quality overall, so why would pay more for this? Or if you don't really care about WhatsApp, email, then I think this phone might be probably one of the best dumb phones that you can currently purchase, because it's literally such a good quality phone and it's very ergonomic, very small, great battery life, and pretty much everything is almost perfect about this phone. But if you need a better camera, then really look maybe for a smartphone, because these Nokia dumb phones do not have good cameras at all. Overall, I kinda like this phone and I'm really trying to reach 1000 subscribers. If you could help me out, that would be so much appreciated and would mean so much to me. Thank you.